Hello everyone, I am Dr. A.S. Prakash, consultant diabetologist and thyroid specialist practicing at Patna, Bihar. So today we are here to discuss about thyroid disorder. As we know that thyroid is a very small gland situated at the base of our neck, and it produces some hormones, and the major hormones what it produces is thyroxine. So sometimes what happens, there is low thyroid levels are there, or sometimes there is excessive thyroid levels are there. So these produces some changes in our body. So if a patient comes with low thyroid levels, that is hypothyroidism is there, so we should be very careful first about the diagnosis of hyperthyroidism. And if the patient have hyperthyroidism, excessive level of thyroxine levels are there, then we should be very concerned about the hyperthyroidism. So what are the symptoms of hypothyroidism? Commonly there are vague symptoms are there. Basically patient presents with weight gain, hair fall, irritation, lack of sleeps, or sometimes madness, body pain, headache, increase in the blood pressure, like this. But most of the time we are not aware that patient is suffering from thyroid disorder, so we usually screen for the thyroid disorder, and there we found that the patient is have a low level of thyroxine levels are there. Sometimes what happen, the patients come with shortness of breath, increase in blood pressure, cough, headache, and in that cases also if we do the thyroid level, sometimes thyroxine levels are excessive in our body, so patient present with hyperthyroidism. In some group of patients there are no symptoms are there. So usually what we see in our Indian population, around 11% Indian population are suffering from thyroid disorder. So it is a very common disorder nowadays, and female and male both can be suffer from these thyroid disorders. So first we have to diagnose it, then we have to treat it. So for the treatment part, what I want to suggest all my viewers, that you should consult with a specialist doctor, basically endocrinologist or senior physician for the thyroid disorder. Because if you start with the optimum dose, sometimes it will difficult to manage thyroid disorders, and we have to be very conscious about the thyroid medication. So when you should take the thyroid medication, because it is a hormone replacement therapy, so whenever we take a thyroid tablet with food, the absorption will be not good. So it should be taken in an empty stomach. At least after half an hour we can take any type of tablets or any type of food. Because if we take any type of tablet like iron tablet or PPI or antacid syrup or anything, it will alter the absorption of the thyroxine level. So here we are doing the hormone replacement therapy. So that tablet, thyroxine tablet, should be taken at least in the empty stomach early in the morning, and after 30 minutes we can assure that patient should take this other foods or any tablets are there. And if your thyroxine levels are low or thyroxine levels are high, when should be checked after the treatment part? So it should be checked after 6 weeks of therapy. And as the thyroid levels are at the normal age, so usually we call the patient after 3 months of treatment to see the thyroid profile. Not only the medication, lifestyle modification is also going to help to manage the thyroid disorders. For this, the patient should reduce the weight. At least 5% to 7% weight decrease will help the patient to have a better thyroid function, and always it will help the patient to protect the heart, kidney, liver, fat and other organs of the body. As well as whenever we tell our patient that what type of diet is recommended for the thyroid disorders, whether it is hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, low fat diet is recommended, because weight gain will always difficult in managing the thyroid disorders. And whenever a thyroid person comes, it has a very high risk of getting diabetes and blood pressure also. So we should be very much conscious about that, and we should always educate our patient that you have to be adopt a very healthy lifestyle to prevent this metabolic disorder. With this, I will thanks to all of you for your patient hearing.